This 2011 Jeep Liberty is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. Jeep Liberty Limited with Sky Slider full open roof 3.7 LV6 engine automatic transmission 4-wheel drive system navigation system heated front seats keyless and 3-fog lamps cruise control power windows power door locks black exterior black leather interior floor mats. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for details. Walk around way. Hope you are next satisfied. Online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2011 Jeep Liberty Limited 4WD is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery Chicago is not responsible for errors. We also reserve the right to withdraw, terminate any vehicle listed for sale. Thank you. Visit us at autogallerychicago.com.